After that messy April assignment, the one where I had to pull off the little de-assignment trick, I'm finally back in smoother waters. QQQ has recovered enough for a clean trade this week. I sold a covered call at $535, comfortably above my break even, and my cash secured put is back out of the money. In this video, I'll walk you through the trade, share my spreadsheet, and explain why it feels good to be back in the groove with weekly updates. The current share price of QQQ is $531.35, and I am short a cash secured put with a strike price of $515 that is expiring on July 31st. I have 130 shares, so I'm going to use 100 of those shares to cover some calls and try to generate some income between now and July 31st. For this part of the trade, I'm going to return to weekly options if I can make them sustainable. So I'm looking out to June 20th, that's 7 days from today. I see that the $535 strike price can bring me at least $362. So I'm going to go ahead and place that order. It looks like I may have missed the 365 offer, so I'm going to lower my ask. Actually, there it filled at 365. The trade will be open for no more than 7 days. Since the current share price is higher than my break even, I'm going to use the current share price as my collateral value for the purpose of calculating my annualized returns. A $364.34 premium on $53,128 worth of QQQ gives me an annualized rate of return of 35.76%. And if the shares are called away from me, I will get an additional $372 in capital gains. So let's take a look and see what this does to my break-even and my current unrealized and realized returns. If you are tracking your trades or you want to start, I've got a spreadsheet that makes it easy to see exactly how your wheel positions are performing over time. It's the same one I use in these videos, and it's available with a quick start guide on my website. While you're there, you can grab my beginner-friendly ebook too. I started trading QQQ in this account on May 16th, 2024, so it's been just over a year. And I'm going to sum all of my income and expense to date. My total out-of-pocket is $53,992. Divided by 130 shares gives me an average investment per share of $415.32. The net liquidating value of the entire position is $67,887. The shares themselves are worth $69,131, but you'll notice I still have these two negative numbers from the put and the call. Since both the put and the call are out of the money, as long as they stay that way, these negative numbers will disappear between now and June 20th and July 31st. If I wanted to take QQQ back to cash today, I would realize a gain of $13,889 in 13 months' time. That's it for this week's trade. Both contracts are out of the money, the premiums are solid, and I'll be back next week with the next step. If this was helpful, I'd love it if you'd tell me so in the comments. Also, hit like and subscribe and check the links below for my spreadsheet and full wheel strategy breakdown. See you soon.